Hey guys, welcome back to Mark Jugador's Adventures. Today we are unboxing a zipline set. But before you watch this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And let's get into this with the power of my hands. Wait, what? Get out of here. Okay, right, okay. So this is what it looks like when it's opened up. Got the Jugador set. Thank you, Jugador, for sending us this.
Let's see what's in it.
Here's
zip line.
This is the zip line.
The zip line handle, more ropes, and cable grips. We'll see what happens.
And more ropes.
And we'll build it.
Oh, yeah.
And Jugador, very nice bag.
Thank you, too.
So this is our main line coming from the base tree. We've got our brake rigged up, and as I ratchet this down, it's gonna hopefully get my cable a little bit tighter. You can see it tightening down there. All right, almost done. Well, luckily I chose one of the hottest days of the year to install this thing.
Good job.
All right, we're getting close. Now it's time to trim up the trees that are in our way. Here we go. Final step. All right, so next we got our handle. Got to put the carabiner in. We're putting it on the line just like that. Throwing a carabiner through, wrapping it around, taking our swing, hooking it on, locking off our carabiner, and that's pretty much it. We're ready to slide now, but I'm gonna tighten this right here up a little bit more. Okay, that should be pretty good. Let's give it a try.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We're about done building it, and we're gonna have some fun with it with the cousins. All right, we have a first try. watching Mark Jugador's Adventures. If you haven't already, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Goodbye!